Right. So we are going to solve multi-step equations. So this is like two-step, and combining like terms and stuff. So first we're just going to start with the easy two-step equations. So remember we always draw the river. And then we want to add or subtract first. Okay. We want to undo addition or subtraction first. So in this case, we have plus 10. So we're going to do the opposite of adding 10, and we're going to subtract 10 on both sides. Those 10s cancel. We're left with 3x equals 4 minus 10 is negative 6. After we add or subtract, then we multiply or divide. In most cases, it'll be multiplication. Sorry, not multiplication. We'll be dividing in like 95% of the time. So this is 3 times x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. And negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Okay. Um, this next one, again, we undo addition or subtraction. Of course, after we draw the river. So the opposite of adding 7 is subtracting 7 on both sides. So we got 2/3 y equals 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Then we have multiplication, so we're just going to divide both sides by 2/3. Type that in your calculator and see what you get. So you could either pause the video right now, or I'm going to do some math over here on the side while you get the answer of -9, hopefully. Okay. This one's going to be a little different. So we said we undo addition or subtraction first, but hopefully you notice that everything has this division bar in it. So in this case only, when they look like this, we have to multiply first. Okay, so we have to get rid of this division bar by multiplying by whatever's in the denominator. In this case, we're going to multiply both sides by 3. This whole thing cancels. I'm left with d minus 8. That comes down. That whole thing comes down. And then negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And now we've already done multiplication and division. So now we add 8 to both sides. And we get d is equal to 2. Okay, so that's two-step equations. Multi-step is when we have two combined like terms. So when we combine like terms, remember like terms are same variable or just numbers. So I'm going to highlight or circle all the things that are the same type of things. I'm going to draw the river. So I know same variable is 7x and x. So 7x plus 1x is 8x. And then my constants, my numbers are the same. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. And we're going to set that equal to whatever's left, negative 16. Now we just have a two-step equation where we do the opposite of adding and subtracting first, then dividing. So we're going to add 8 to both sides. That cancels. We have 8x equals negative 8. Now take it another step, divide both sides by 8. X equals negative 1. I want you to try this one on your own. So if you'd like to pause the video and try it, that would be good. If you pause, you try it and you're stuck, just unpause because I'll still be explaining, but I'd like you to pause and see if you get it right. Okay. So we're going to combine our like terms. Our like terms are our p's. 2p minus 14 is negative 12p. This 6 doesn't have a friend, so it just comes along for the ride. It's a negative 6, so I just write negative 6 equals negative 90. Now I do the opposite. I add 6 to each side. I'm left with negative 12p equals, well, don't lose that negative, okay? That's a really easy thing to lose as you bring stuff down. This is what, 84. Divide everything by -12. And P is equal to what, 5, 6, 7, maybe? I'm going with 7. Okay. Let me, I guess, double check my calculator. Yeah, 7. Okay. So that's that. We're gonna do the second half tomorrow. So we're just doing the first half of the notes.